sky. Up, up in the clouds. It's raining. A lot. There's no work to be done today.
What's wrong, Bobo White? Rainy. I can see that. But the rain does make everything lovely and clean. Bobo bored. Well, we'll just have to wait till the rain stops before we can go outside.
But I need to do my jobs. I have such a lot to do.
We all have jobs to do, Baba Blue.
The rain is very good for my plants. Although I've got lots of things to do in the garden.
We can't just sit here and do nothing.
Why don't we play a game? That'll pass the time.
Play game!
Play game!
Like what?
How about favourite things?
Oh, yes! I love that game.
You start, Baba Green.
OK. Well, my favourite thing is my garden.
What do you like best about it?
I just love digging and planting. Remember when everyone was sneezing and we didn't know what it was?
Achoo! Achoo!
But I think my favourite thing in the garden is my watering can. I need it to water my plants.
Remember when Bobo blocked up all the holes?
Holes? Bluey Babs fill holes.
Aha! Bobo clever.
Now that I think about it, that was a bit funny. Huh? Mud? Who could have done that?
Huh? Rainy. We told you before, Bobo. We know. Rainy, rain, rain!
You are funny, Bobo.
What about you, Baba Pink? What's your favourite thing? My favourite thing is my caring kit. It's so useful. I can make and mend all sorts of things with it.
What are you making, Baba Pink?
It's a star blanket. I'm making it for Little Star.
Wow, it's so soft. It's beautiful.
Thank you. Do you remember when I made Sun his big gloves? Ooh.
Oh, what are these?
Oven gloves. These gloves keep your hands cool so they won't melt the snow.
Come on, Son. Try them out.
I've made one! Oh, thank you, Cloudbabies! My first snowball!
Then there's my polishing cloth and my duster. I wouldn't know what to do without them. How would I polish Sun? Or dust Moon? Maybe they are my favourite things.
I think your favourite thing is your reward chart. You do like to check that all our jobs are done.
All right then, Baba Blue. What's your favourite thing?
My favourite thing is...
Rainy, rain, rain.
My favourite thing is my tools. I couldn't do anything without them. I couldn't fix the gate without my hammer. All mended. Do you remember when Bobo knocked all of my tools into the hayfield?
Bobo, help!
No! Oops. Luckily, I had my cloud catcher to fish them all out. Pull, Cloudbabies, pull! That was fun.
I liked your sculpture. That was really beautiful.
Perfect.
Remember when Sun shone through it and made all those rainbow colours? It It's a rainbow light sculpture.
Yes, I have so many favourite things to choose from. But I think I like my sky peeper best. I can use it to spot clouds. Come on! Then I can round them up.
Okay, clouds. No more playing. Time to rain.
Time to round up some clouds. Yee-haw! Or chase them.
Yes, you do like to chase clouds across the sky, don't you, Baba Blue? What's your favourite thing, Bobo? Rain pairs! Of course it is! Well, I think my favourite thing is my bag. It just looks so pretty on me. Although I do use my paint box every day to paint rainbow.
And to paint pictures.
Yes, that's my favourite thing. Although, my favourite thing really has to be my fluty toot. It can call the sky train. And it helps Little Star go to sleep. Listen. Rainy, rain, rain!
Oh no! Look, the ceiling!
Quick, Cloud Babies! We've got to catch the water.
Ah, Bobo, now I understand. You were trying to tell us about the rain inside.
Drip, drip, drip goes the rain on our heads. On the tables and beds, the rain is dripping. Drop, drop, drop goes the rain on the stair. On our clothes and our hair, the rain is dropping. Every drip and drop we will mop, mop, mop as we clean the raindrops away. Drip, drip, drip goes the rain on our heads. On the tables and beds, the rain is dripping. Drop, drop, drop goes the rain on the stair. On our clothes and our hair, the rain is dropping. Every drip and drop we will mop, mop, mop as we clean the raindrops away. As we clean the raindrops, clean the raindrops, clean the raindrops away.
I think the rain is stopping. Hello, everyone. What are you doing here?
We've come to see you, of course. And I always come out after the rain. That's why I'm called Rainbow. Isn't everything clean? Yes. Just look at my colours. Aren't they wonderful?
We are pleased to see you.
You've made all the rain dry up. Sun, rainbow, favourite things. Yes, today you two are our favourite things.
So, with the rain gone, the Cloud Babies could get on with their jobs. And Bobo was just happy not to get wet.
Who polishes the snow? Wipes the cobwebs from the moon. Who tells the bedtime stories to the stars? Who paints the colours on the rainbow and makes everything look new? Who looks after the sky? The Cloud Babies do.
High in the sky, up in the clouds, Fuffa Cloud has a big day ahead. She has to practice for her rain test. Well, it's not that easy, you know.
Hello, Fuffa. Do you want a raining lesson before Rainbow tests you?
No thanks. Baba Yellow just brushed me, and that was bad enough. I'd rather practice on my own.
Okay. Baba Green,
Hello, Baba Pink.
that's a lovely little rain pear tree.
I'm just going to plant it in the orchard, so it will grow big and tall.
Don't forget to water it.
I will. I won't.
Right. I'd better put the washing out. Good luck with your raining, Fuffer.
Thanks, Baba Pink. Right, raining practice. Here I go. Now that's what I call rain.
Oh, hey!
Huh?
I'm all wet. All right, own up. Who did it? Who just rained on me?
Oops.
Fuffer!
Time to go.
Fuffer! Oh. Look at my orange. Just look at it.
Oh, hi, Baba Yellow. It's a beautiful day. It is. I'm going somewhere nice and quiet to play my fluty toot. Oh, have fun.
This could be a good place to rain. Right.
Oh no, it's raining. My fluty toot.
Oh
Puffer, it was you.
no. Sorry, Baba Yellow. I was just practicing for my rain test.
Well, you seem to be good at it.
But I'm not. I keep doing it wrong. And now I've got you and your fluty toot all wet.
Oh, don't worry. It'll dry out. Hi, Baba Yellow. Hi, Fuffer. How are you getting on with your practice?
Not very well. I can't rain in the right place.
I'm only a little bit wet. Well, why don't you let me help? Oh, go on, Fuffer. You don't want to stop now, do you? Come on, follow me.
Oh, that looks like hot work, Baba Green.
It is. And you're making it hotter.
Okay, I'll shine further away then.
Thanks, son. There. All done. It's nearly time for the rain clouds to water this little rain pear tree.
Okay, Fuffer, you can do it. Ready?
Right.
3, 2, 1, go! That's it, Fuffer. Well done.
Hooray! I did it! And I didn't rain on anyone. Baba Pink, your washing's getting wet.
What? Oh.
Oh no! Your dry washing! I've rained all over it. That's it. I'm not doing it anymore.
But Fuffer.
Can't do it. I'm not doing the test.
Fuffer, wait. Oh dear. Poor Fuffer. Come on, Pink Horsey. Let's go and find her. Baba Blue. Fuffer Cloud's a little bit upset, and now I can't find her anywhere.
I'll help. Blue Horsey, let's go find Fuffer Cloud. Fuffer!
Fuffer! What's wrong? Where's Fuffer? We don't know. She's gone off in a huff.
Fuffer in a huffer? I might have upset her when she rained on my orange. But it was a big drippy mess.
And she rained over me and my fluty toot. And my dry washing. But it was just an accident. I'll come and help you look. I'll be back to finish your orange later, Rainbow.
Hold on. I'm coming too.
Fuffer Cloud,
Where are you?
where are you? Oh, where are those rain clouds? They were meant to be here ages ago.
Fuffer!
Cloudbabies, Rainbow, what's wrong?
We're looking for Fuffer. She's run off.
In a huffer.
Oh, I'll help you look for her. I could look for the rain clouds on the way. They were meant to be here ages ago. We'll get you watered soon, little tree. Green horsey!
Fuffer!
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 Up in the sky we search high and low. Through the clouds in the air, flying high we go. With our sky peepers we don't miss a thing. Our sky horses rock as we search and sing. Oh, we look and we seek, we search as we try to find what is lost in the sky.
Now we've looked everywhere.
She must be somewhere.
Look!
Fuffer. There. This will make you feel better.
Fuffer, you've made the little rain pear tree grow. I have, haven't I?
And you rained in the right place.
And at the right time.
I did, didn't I?
Yes, you did, Fuffer Cloud.
Well done, Fuffer Cloud. Huh? What's that?
It's your Cloud Helper's badge, Fuffer. You deserve it.
Yay!
Well done, Fuffer.
I knew you could do it.
So Fuffer Cloud had passed her rain test. She couldn't be happier. And neither could the little rain pear tree.
Who polishes the sky? Cloudybabies. Wipes the cobwebs from the moon? Cloudybabies. Who tells the bedtime stories to the stars? Cloudybabies. Who paints the colours on the rainbow and makes everything look new? Who looks after the sky? The Cloudbabies do.
High in the sky, up in the clouds. It's hot, hot, hot. Too hot if you ask me.
Good morning, Rainbow. Need a paint?
I most certainly do, Baba Yellow. Just look at my stripes.
Well, let's get started then. Oh, no paint left.
No paint left, but my stripes.
It's okay, Rainbow. I can easily get some more from the paint well.
Well, come on then. I can't stay looking like this. make way, make way! Emergency! Rainbow coming through!
Hi, everyone. Excuse us. Just need to get some paint.
You can't.
Why? Oh, it's empty.
There's no paint left in the paint well.
What? No paint? But what about my stripes?
Calm down, Rainbow. We just need some rain clouds. The rainwater will make more paint.
Well, where are the rain clouds? Can't have rain without rain clouds.
Oh, poor Rainbow. What are we going to do?
They must be somewhere up there. I'll find them and round them up.
And I'll help you.
Me too. Roundy up. Yee-haw!
Sorry, Bobo, but you and Donk are too small to round up clouds.
Oh.
Back soon.
With lots and lots of rain clouds. Let's ride.
Oh. Bobo, no cloudy roundy ups. Poor Bobo and Skydonk.
What about poor me?
Oh, Donk play roundy ups. Roundy ups. Yee-haw! Roundy ups. Roundy ups. Oh, cloud. Roundy up. Roundy up cloud. Like Greenie Babs. Woohoo! Roundy ups. Hey!
Hello, cloud babies.
Hi, Sun. Hi, Peppa Pink. Have you seen any rain clouds today?
We most certainly have.
Yes, chasing round and round they were. Made my head spin.
Whoa! And they made me drop my polishing cloth.
Which way did they go?
That
That
away.
away.
Thanks, Peppa Pink. Thank you, son.
Yee-haw! Cloudy roundy ups. Huh? Cloudy? Yee-haw! Cloudy roundy ups.
There they are. Come on.
Okay, clouds. No more playing. Time to rain.
Hey! Time to round up some clouds. Yee-haw!
Come on, clouds. The paint well needs your rain.
Hey!
Come back. Okay, cloudies. To the paint well.
Cloudy fun. Oh, so Cloudy Babs.
about time. I'm fading away.
Hey, whoa! Steady.
Okay, clouds. Time to rain. 3, 2, 1, rain!
Oh,
Hey, whoa there! Stay still, clouds.
mist.
Get ready, Baba Yellow.
Oh, mist again.
Oh, the clouds are all rained out.
Did you get any water, Baba Yellow?
No, there's nothing in the bucket.
What? Oh, we need another rain cloud. Quick!
I'm sorry, Rainbow. They've all gone.
Oh, woe is me! Doomed to be dull.
Yee-haw! Looky, looky! A rain cloud. Well done, Bobo. Just what we need.
My stripes are saved.
Can you rain for us, Cloud?
Just a little shower will do.
Please. Cloudy rain for Bobo. Hooray!
Well done, Bobo!
Oh, please, let there be paint. Oh, lovely bright stripes again. Thank you, Cloud Babies. Thank you, Bobo. Thank you, Skydonk. And you, little Cloudy.
Maybe next time we round up clouds, you can come along too, eh?
Woohoo! Maybe it's time your cloud went back to the others, Bobo.
Oh. Bye, Cloudy.
And so everyone was very pleased with Bobo, especially Rainbow. I wonder how long that'll last. Bobo!
Who polishes the snow? Cloudybabies. Wipes the cobwebs from the moon? Cloudybabies. Who tells the bedtime stories to the stars? Cloudybabies. Who paints the colours on the rainbow and makes everything look new? Who looks after the sky? The Cloudbabies do.
High in the sky, up in the clouds. The clouds are gathering. I think something exciting's about to happen. Yoo-hoo! I'm still here. Hello, everyone. Oh, look at all these clouds. A storm is on its way.
Yes, my first one.
Are you excited, Fuffa?
I am. I just hope I get to do my bit in the Stormy show.
You'll be fine. Don't worry.
Oh, of course. You'll be great. Big storms are fantastic. And I, Rainbow, will be conducting it.
Can you conduct me, Rainbow? So I know how to do it later?
I can try. When I wave my arms, you rumble as loudly as you can. Ready?
Ready.
Oh, that wasn't very loud. The other clouds will laugh at me if I do that in the stormy show.
You'll get the hang of it. You'll see.
I hope so.
Oh, I need my baton. Back in a minute. Well, all right. Maybe I'll go and have a little snooze and come back when it's over.
Uh-oh. It's okay, Bobo. It's only the storm clouds coming in.
I hope they like me.
Big noise. Oh, bigger noise. That's the thunderclouds. They're a bit noisy.
Yes, and here they come.
We're nearly ready. Oh, I love storms.
Sky look funny. And sounds funny. Bobo, go now.
Oh, but I really wanted them to stay with me. Maybe I should see if they're okay first.
Perhaps we should all go back to the Cloudy House.
Good idea, Baba Pink. We can watch the stormy show from there. Come on.
Don't forget to come back, though, Fuffer, and be ready to rumble.
I will, Rainbow. I think.
Thanks, Sky Horses. Back to your stable now. The storm's almost here.
The thunder's coming closer, Fuffer. Doesn't it sound exciting? Wow! Your first big storm. I bet you can't wait to join in.
I think so, but I'm worried I can't do it.
Of course you can. You'll be a great rumbler.
But what if I can't?
You can. Be brave and do your best. Everyone will love you.
They will? Thanks, Baba Pink.
Now, where are Bobo and Little Star? Have fun, Fuffer. Good luck.
Now, Clouds, this is going to be our best performance ever. Is everybody ready? Oh, well done, Fuffer. Stay there and watch and learn. I'll let you know when it's your time. Let the show begin!
Oh, come on, Bobo. Come out, Little Star. Storms make the sky look different, but there's no need to be afraid. Positions, Cloudbabies. Back in a minute. Hold tight, Bobo. Hold tight, Little Star.
Okay, Fuffer. Come a bit closer, Fuffer. Oh, all right. Take your time.
Great job, Cloudbabies! Hey! Clever Babs! Clever Bobo!
See? Storms can be fun.
But big clouds make big noise. They do make a big noise, Little Star. But that's their job. Just like yours is to twinkle. They sound loud. But there's nothing to be afraid of.
Shall we all go and see how Fuffer's doing?
Hey! Music! Yes, it's Rainbow's Orchestra. Isn't it wonderful? Dancy Bobo!
Look at Fuffer. She's nearly in the storm.
See Fuffer! See Fuffer! Come on, let's all go and see Fuffer.
Come on, Fuffer. It's your turn now. Come on, Fuffer. Come and join the storm.
Fuffer! 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 Hooray!
Go on, Fuffer. You're doing fine.
Fuffer clever.
Oh, brilliant, Fuffer.
Come, little star.
See? Storms really are fun.
I don't think Bobo and Little Star are afraid anymore.
And I think Fuffer Cloud has really loved her first big storm.
I love storms.
As the stormy show fills the sky with noise, beautiful music, the Cloudbabies dance the night away.
Who polishes the snow? Wipes the cobwebs from the moon. Who tells the bedtime stories to the stars? Who paints the colours on the rainbow and makes everything look new? Who looks after the sky? The Cloudbabies do.
High in the sky, up in the clouds, Bubba Yellow is painting Rainbow. And Bubba Green is hard at work in the garden. Bubba Pink and Bubba Blue are up to something too.
What doing?
Shh! It's a lovely surprise for later. Oh.
Why don't you go and help Bubba Green, Bobo?
Okie dokes. Here's a little drink for you. And for you. And for you. Bobo help Greenie, Babs.
Thanks, Bobo. You can give the fluffy gold flowers a drink.
Oopsie. Sorry, Skydonk.
Here, let me show you. In the garden, you have to do everything nice and slow. Remember? Slow, slow, slow. Rain or sun. Slow, slow, slow. Job gets done.
Bobo slow.
Well done, Bobo. That's great.
Now where was I? Red, orange, Yellow.
Green.
Oh, yes.
Green? Oh, you don't know your orange from your indigo today, Baba Yellow.
Sorry, Rainbow. The thing is, Baba Blue and Baba Pink are planning a big, big surprise. But you mustn't tell anyone.
Well, I'm not one to talk.
Hi, Baba Yellow. Could you give us a hand with the surprise? Coming, Baba Pink.
What? You can't go now. I'm only half painted.
I won't be long.
But look, my green's all blotchy. Wait, come back. Oh, I hope no one sees me like this. Hello, Rainbow. Oh, no. Something wrong? Yes, Baba Yellow's gone off and left me half painted. So I see. Well, I've got to go. I promised to help Baba Green. Right, that does it. Where are those paints? Now then. Oh, rather a good job, though I say it myself. Oh, Rainbow, you're a true artist. Oh, I don't need Baba Yellow to paint me. I can do it myself in half the time.
Oh, yes. You're lovely in yellow. And you'll do. Oh, and you're gorgeous. Look, son. My fluffy goats are almost as yellow as you are.
That's because you take the time to look after them, Baba Green.
You know what I always say? Slow, slow, slow. Rain or sun. Slow, slow, slow. Job gets done.
Oh, I can't quite. Oh, dear, nearly.
Rainbow funny.
Oh, no. I think I've pulled something in my arch. I may never sling again.
Bobo help.
Oh, no, Bobo. No, wait. Well, all right. But be careful to keep inside the stripes.
Bobo painting.
No, not there. It tickles. Oh, no. Stop.
Uh-oh. Messy, messy.
Blue? You've turned blue? How did that happen? No, no, no. We can't have blue fluffy gold flowers.
Wait till Baba Yellow comes back. She'll be amazed.
Brushy, brushy, Bobo.
Bobo, what are you doing now? Whoops.
Uh-oh.
Red, orange, green, blue. What's going on? My fluffy goals are turning all the colours of the rainbow. Huh? Rainbow. This is rainbow paint. Come, Green Horsey. Let's find out what's going on.
I must be done by now.
Bobo, brushy, brushy.
Hey, Bobo. What are you doing?
Bobo painty.
Baba Yellow was busy, so I've painted myself. Oh, with a little help from Bobo.
Rainbow beautiful.
No, I'm sorry, Bobo. He's not.
What?
Look at these splodges and splashes. There's paint everywhere. Rainbows, a mess.
Oh.
A mess? Oh, I don't want to look a mess. Oh, quick, Baba Green. Paint me properly, please.
I would if I could, but I'm very busy in the garden.
You've got to. You must. I'm a mess.
Well, all right. I'll have to clean up all this sploshy paint first.
Anything, just do it quickly.
Not quickly, Rainbow. What I always say is slow, slow, slow. Rain or sun. Slow, slow, slow. Job gets done. All done.
How can I ever thank you, Bubba Green?
Rainbow, you're all painted.
Yes, I am.
However did you manage?
Well, it's not that hard. Well, it did go a bit wrong at first, but Bubba Green came to my rescue.
Well, you look lovely. It must have taken ages.
You know what I always say? Slow, 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 job gets done.
Bubba Green, we've got a surprise for you.
We've made you a fluffy gold cake for growing the fluffy gold flowers so yellow.
Oh, thank you.
Mmm, cake!
I love cake. Can we have some now, Bubba Green?
Of course. Save a piece for me. I've got one last job to do.
High in the sky, up in the clouds, the Cloudbabies enjoy the delicious fluffy gold cake. But where's Bubba Green?
Slow, slow, slow. Rain or sun. Slow, slow, slow. Job gets done.
Quick, Bubba Green, or the cake will all be gone. Bobo, that's Bubba Green's.
Who polishes the snow? Cloudybabies. Wipes the cobwebs from the moon? Cloudybabies. Who tells the bedtime stories to the stars? Cloudybabies. Who paints the colours on the rainbow and makes everything look new? Who looks after the sky? The Cloudbabies do.
High in the sky, up in the clouds, it's morning time. That means it's time for the Cloudbabies to have their...
Breakfast!
Yes, breakfast.
I'm so hungry.
Me too. Hurry up, Bubba Green. Bobo yum.
Here you go, everyone. Fresh from the Sky Orchard.
Thanks, Bubba Green.
I love rainbows.
Mmm, scrammy. Mmm.
Bubba-licious. These are great rainbows, Bubba Green.
You can't beat a good rain pear.
Sounds like thunder.
A storm? Now let's see.
Oh, feel the burn.
Well, is it a storm, Bubba Green?
No, it's Moon. I think she needs our help.
Hello, Moon. Why aren't you asleep?
Oh, I do beg your pardon, dears. I am so very, dearie me, hungry. It was keeping me awake.
So the rumbling is your tummy?
Yes, it is making a bit of a noise.
I'll say all this rumbly-tumbly noise is putting me off my exercises. I keep losing count. 1, 2... Oh, see what I mean?
What you need is some of your favourite moon rock to fill you up.
Oh, the moon rock shower was supposed to have arrived last night, but it didn't come.
I'm sure we'll have some at the Cloudy House.
Good idea, Peppa Pink. Let's go and look.
Aren't you joining the others, dear?
No, I'm going to stay here and play you a soothing tune on my fluty toot while we wait.
Oops, sorry.
No moon rock here.
Or in here.
I can't find any moon rock anywhere.
Rain pear.
Great idea, Bobo White.
Yes, Moon can eat rain pears.
Everyone loves rain pears.
Moon is very hungry, so we're going to need a lot. Come on.
Oh, my dear. So sorry.
Can't sleep. Funny noise.
Oh, my. There I go again.
No moon rock, I'm afraid, Moon.
But we've got rain pears.
Loads of them.
Well, I'll try anything once. Ooh, very nice. Not too sweet, not too sour.
That's it. That's all the rain pears.
Oh, my. I'm sorry, but I'm still hungry.
Twirly Bobo. Cloudy Bobo. Cloudy Bubs. Cloudy Bubs. Find the Cloudy Bubs, dog. Moonrock. Moonrock. Moonrock.
What's up with Bobo?
What's he saying? Moonrock! Moonrock!
Look!
Yes, it's the moon rock shower. It's here. It's finally here.
Woohoo! Come on, let's go and get it.
So much moon rock.
Bobo, help.
Thanks, Bobo. Moon is going to have such a feast. Smells delicious.
But how are we going to get all this moon rock up there for Moon to eat? It's too much for the sky horses to carry.
Sky train.
Here it comes.
Okay, Cloudbabies, fill it up. Ready, everyone?
Ready.
Moon, dinner time.
Wait for Bobo. Wait for Bobo. To Moon. Donk. Oh, moon. Look at all that moon rock.
It looks delicious. Oh, and it tastes delicious.
Wow, you're looking better already.
I'm starting to feel better already.
Wow, Moon, you really were hungry.
Oh, that's better. Just one last piece should fill me up.
There's none left.
Rock!
Bobo, here!
Rock! Rock!
Thank you, Bobo dear.
Hooray! Full moon!
Thank you all.
Well done, Bobo.
And you, Skydonk.
So next time you see a full moon high in the night sky, you'll know she's had a lovely moon rock meal and is very happy indeed. Which reminds me, supper time. Then bed.
Good night, Bobo.